Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this episode I want to create a small, fun little program. Let's make Santa run across the screen. To begin, I asked one of the AI image generators to create a picture with several frames of a running Santa. Then, using Photoshop, I turned that image into separate animation frames. I think 3 frames will be enough to create a simple running animation. To align the image correctly, I used white lines, so each Santa stands in almost the same position. Next, I created a new Windows Form application project and added a picture box, image list, and 2 timers. I renamed the objects and changed some of their properties. One important detail: for the picture box, I set the background color to transparent. And don't forget to enable both timers. A quick note about ImageList. All the images you add to an image list are automatically included in your project's resources. And ImageList automatically resizes all images to dimensions you set in its properties. I won't go too deep into the code, I just want to show it and briefly explain how everything works. First, I added 3 variables. 2 of them control the movement of the form across the screen, and the third one, frame, keeps track of which animation frame should be displayed at the moment. Inside form1 load, I set the starting position of the form, the form's background color and transparency key, and also the form border style. If you want, you can set test properties manually in the designer view. To display initial image in the picture box, I use the image with index 0 from the image list. Now, if I run the program, we can already see Santa. For the animation timer, every tick we increase the frame variable by 1. If frame becomes equal to the total number of images in the image list, I reset it back to 0. Then the picture box shows the image at the index equal to frame. This gives us a simple stepping animation. And if you want to add more frames, you can make it smoother. To make Santa move across the screen, I opened the timer move subroutine and changed the form's position using CX and CY variables. Every tick, the form moves based on the variables we set earlier. Then I check if the program window goes outside the screen boundaries. As soon as one side of the window touches the edge of the screen, I flip the movement direction by changing the variable to the opposite value. For example, if CX is positive and the form hits right side of the screen, CX becomes negative. If we run the program now, Santa starts moving across the screen. But there is a problem. When Santa reaches the right side, he keeps running backward. To fix that, I added a new variable called direction. Then, inside timer move, I used Math.Sign function. It returns 3 possible values: -1 if the number is negative, +1 if it's positive, and 0 if it's 0. Next, I created a subroutine called Flip Santa. So here, if direction equal 1, we simply display the image as it is. Otherwise, we create a copy of the image, flip it horizontally, and show the flipped version in the picture box. Then, I added a call to flip Santa inside timer move. I also added a condition and the flip Santa calls inside timer animation. Now flip Santa handles the drawing of each animation frame. Then I added a right mouse button click exit because I removed the Windows standard control buttons. After that, I added a tooltip and made it appear when clicking on the picture box. This is a small project that's great for practicing simple animations. You can change Santa's movement speed by adjusting CX and CY variables, or by changing the timer intervals. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!